Thutha wa GIIKARO na ataramu a urigitani muthenya wa ira, umuthi Ministry ya ugima wa mwiri yuma na GIIKARO na KANJU ya magavana aria monanirie kwaga kuiganira makiuga matiakuruhanirio ndereti-ini ya guthugunda mendekithia maya.
We are aware that we were fully involved in the drafting of the digital health bill, but on the other three, all of them are totally strange to us.
Kuringana na muikaririgite wa kamiti ya ugima wa mwiri thiini wa KANJU ya magavana Muthomi Njuki, kaunti iri na itemi nene ukinyaniria-ini wa mitaratara ya kiwatho kuona gatagati ka maundu maria ithukiirwo ni ukinyaniria wa motungata ma urigitani kuri a Kenya othe.
You look at the constitution, health is devolved, not just partially but fully devolved. But we also co-share the function with you when it comes to policy matters. And we wanted to know where we sit in terms of the engagement for today.
Hamwe na mendekithia ma watho maria ndudu ya maminista yendekithitie ni watho wa kuramata riboti ikoni arwaru na ceceni cia urigitani kuhitukira njira cia kiriu, watho ukoni mitaratara ya kuramata kigina kia motungata ma urigitani, watho ukoni uheani wa motungata ma muthingi na watho ukoni kigina gia kugacirithia ceceni cia motungata ma urigitani.
If you say that the ministry will be the custodian and the counties would have to seek the permission of the ministry to access data that corresponds to or relates to a specific county, that can be of great challenge to us.
We shall provide in the regulations levels of access, so that if Governor Muthomi, you need access to the data of THIINI, then you have it, but you have no access to the data of Kirinyaga County.
Hindi ya GIIKARO gia KANJU ya magavana na Ministry ya ugima wa mwiri mieri minini mihituku, omwe wa maundu maria maririirio ni uria watho ukoni kigina gia kugacirithia ceceni cia urigitani ugukinyanirio makiria thiini wa ugai wa kigina kuma kuri thirikari nene na thirikari cia county.
Exactly where do we place the bills that have been passed by the counties, resources have been used, and these bills have been customized to ensure that every unique need of the county has been taken care of in this FIR bill.
Magavana oho makienda kumenya uria thirikari cia county na thirikari nene irinyitanagira kuriha maafitha a ugima wa mwiri matura-ini maya magiuka riri mutongoria wa bururi atanyitwo gukaruguria maafitha 100,000 a ugima wa mwiri matura-ini hindi ya mambura ma mashuja mweri ukite.
Give me a bill or an act to employ 1,695 workers who are CHPs. I cannot do it because of the resources.
On CHPs, even at the national level, we agreed that they are not workers. And that is the reason why we did not call them community health workers, because it was the easier way to call them and not volunteers. That's how we settled on promoters. So the issues in terms of them being part of the wage bill, that we are cognizant of it.
Hadwini hakameme TV, yetagogena wa Waduro.